Jesse, let us begin with strings.
Sure, Harry.
What is a string in programming?
A string is a sequence of characters used to represent text. Strings matter in programming as they allow for user input, data storage, and manipulation, essential in software development. For example, a username input in a login system is a string. Limitations include difficulties in memory usage and mutability issues.
Key concepts here are strings, text representation, provide a clear definition and practical example. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing strings with other data types. What are some common string operations?
Common string operations include concatenation, slicing, and searching. Concatenation combines strings for output, while slicing extracts parts of a string. Searching checks for substrings. These operations facilitate dynamic text manipulation in applications. A limitation is that complex operations can become inefficient.
Key concepts here are string operations, text manipulation, mention specific operations and their significance. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking efficiency in string handling. What is string immutability?
String immutability means that once a string is created, it cannot be changed. This is crucial in programming as it ensures data integrity. For instance, when you modify a string in Python, a new string is created. This offers benefits like thread safety but also requires consideration in memory usage.
Key concepts here are string immutability, data integrity, discuss implications and examples of immutability. Common mistakes candidates make here are assuming strings can be modified in place. How do strings handle encoding?
String encoding translates characters to byte representations. This is vital for data interchange between systems. UTF-8 is a widely used encoding scheme. However, mismatched encodings can lead to data corruption, making understanding this concept critical for developers.
Key concepts here are string encoding, data interoperability, explain encoding types and their relevance. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting encoding differences when transferring data. What is string formatting?
String formatting involves creating a new string by embedding values. It's essential for displaying user-friendly messages. For example, using f-strings in Python allows dynamic insertion of variable values. A drawback is potential security issues with unsanitized inputs.
Key concepts here are string formatting, user interaction, provide examples of different formatting methods. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting to sanitize inputs during formatting. Can you reverse a string?
Yes, I can reverse a string using slicing in Python. I'll use the slice notation to reverse it. This approach is efficient, utilizing a single data structure. The time complexity is on and space complexity is on due to creating a new string. Edge cases include handling empty strings.
Key concepts here are string manipulation, Python slicing. Discuss your approach clearly. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking edge cases like empty strings. How would you check if a string is a palindrome?
I would compare the string to its reverse. Using slicing, I can check for equality. It's time efficient for this task, with a time complexity of on and space complexity of on too. Edge cases include considering case sensitivity.
Key concepts here are palindrome check, string comparison. Be clear about your comparison method. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring case sensitivity. Can you count vowels in a string?
Yes, I can use a loop to iterate through the string and a set to check for vowels. This is efficient in terms of execution. The time complexity will be on and space complexity is O1, as I'm only using a fixed amount of space. Edge cases include handling non-alphabetic characters.
Key concepts here are counting characters, loops. Explain your choice of data structures. Common mistakes candidates make here are failing to account for non-alphabetic characters. How would you find the first non-repeating character?
I will use a dictionary to count occurrences of each character. First, I'll populate the dictionary and then iterate through the string to find the first character with a count of 1. This is efficient with a time complexity of on and space complexity of on. Edge cases involve all characters being repetitive.
Key concepts here are character counting, dictionary usage. Discuss your approach clearly and efficiently. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring the order of characters. How would you compress a string?
I would iterate through the string counting consecutive characters. When a different character is found, I would append the character and its count to a new string. The time complexity is on and space complexity is also on for the compressed result. Edge cases include handling strings without repetitions.
Key concepts here are string compression, iteration, and counting. Explain the approach and complexity clearly. Common mistakes candidates make here are not considering strings without repeating characters. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more insightful interview content. For such content, do like, subscribe, and share.